Now for this particular problem here, they ask us to find an equation for the line that is tangent to the curve y equal to 2x to the third minus 2x at the point negative 1, 0. So our strategy here is going to find that first derivative and then evaluate it at those points there, at the point fx equal to negative 1, to find out what my slope's going to be at that point. So I'll have a point and I'll have a slope. I get an equation for the line. That's our strategy. So I have my equation here, and they want us to find the derivative of it. So I'm taking the derivative of this function here. So I factor out my constant here, and I have the derivative of x to the third. Then I factor out my I don't factor constant there. I could have. So the derivative of 2x is going to be 2. And the derivative of x to the third is going to be 3x squared, and here times 2. So my derivative looks like this of the function. That's my derivative function. And they want us to evaluate it. What is the slope at x equal to negative 1? So I'll find my slope here at x equal to negative 1. So if I put in a 1 and I evaluate it, it comes to be a 4. So my slope is 4. My slope is 4 here. And I have a point here, so I can use this form here, the point slope form, where I'm given a point and given a slope, I can get an equation for the line. So I plug in, okay, for my y sub 1, for my y sub 1, and my x sub 1, and my slope is m is 4. Okay, I plug in, then I simplify it. Those negatives make it x plus 1 there. Y minus 0 is just going to be y. Let's distribute here. So I have 4x plus 4, and that's my answer.